Happy Tuesday, everybody. It's been quite a while since I've done what I used to call my Tech Tuesdays, and I am working on a project right now. I'm helping somebody build out their funnel, and I thought this is a perfect opportunity just to share some goodies with you. Now, if any of you have a landing page, a sales page, whether you do it or somebody else does it, you need to figure out how to create what we call your digital stack. And so I'm going to show you how easy it is. But first of all, what is a digital stack and why do you even need it? Why do you even care? In the online space, most of us are selling an intangible. In other words, we're selling coaching, we're selling thought leadership, we're selling ideas. But when you go to try to, advertise that, talk about it, we're all visual people. We need to figure out how can we explain this in a visual way. Well, how do you do that? You do it with what we call a digital stack. And that's basically an image, something that kind of displays the end result. And you want to make it super juicy so that people are like, oh, I can't wait to get my hands on that. So let me know if you happen to be watching live, if that makes sense in the comments. Let me just refresh my page here. So what I wanted to do today is just show you how easy it is. It's not complicated. You just have to kind of think ahead. So when you're building out your products, your services, think about how can I display this in a way that helps people see that tangible result and also some of the awesomeness that they will get when they sign up for your program or your course or whatever. So I am just going to share my screen. And this is just a good old Canva. And if you want to get a template, I have several templates like this. But basically, this is what the digital stack looks like. Okay, it shows you the computer and all the pages and the iPad, iPhone, all that kind of stuff. The number one thing that you first have to do, and let me see if I don't know if I have it. Let me just take a minute here and see. Okay, so let me hop back over here for a quick second. Let me just slide this over. And let me share another screen here just so you can see what I'm talking about. Um, let's see. Where did I put it? Nailing your niche, I think. Okay, so let me see if you can see this one. All right, good. I think we're looking at the same thing here. So this is an ebook that I just finished, and so that's the first thing. You have to start with whatever digital image that you're creating, and then what I did was I downloaded this. So you just go to share, come over here to download, and instead of downloading it um, as your PDF, which is the ultimate like ebook format, you're going to download it as JPEGs. So this is has several pages in it. You download those JPEG files, it will be zipped up. You have to unzip it. And then let me come back here just for a second. Let me hide that. So what you create this ebook or whatever it is, you download it as JPEG, and then what you need to do is upload it again. So now I'm going to come back over here, and then what you want to do is you will upload it. So if you can see the little button over here to upload. Now I've already uploaded this. So if we look at over here to the side, here's all of those pages. And now all you need to do is start dragging them over onto this template. Now, a word to the wise, and I speak from experience. First thing you want to do, anytime you get any kind of a template from somebody, come up here to the copy or duplicate and and make a couple of extra copies of it because you might mess it up. All right. And now all I need to do is come over to those uploaded images, and I'm just going to click and drag it in. And when you drag it in, if you double click on it, you can modify what you want shown up on there. Okay. So this one, maybe I just want the title to show up in that computer screen here. And now I can start uploading some of the other ones. Let me bring this down so they can see that it's a table of contents. And then literally you just start bringing in all of your pages. Now, one thing that I like to recommend is this document. It does have a lot of, I'll call it like white space. So as you can see, this page here, there's a lot of white space. So, I might come back and actually find something else to put into that spot. Do you see how quickly I am building my digital stack here? And I'm just going to continue. And again, when you bring it in, you can double click and you can just kind of slide things around to make it more visually appealing here. All right, so I'll just do a couple more. And this one's kind of a good page to display. I won't make you watch all of this. Maybe this is a good one to put in this box here. My little checkbox, find your niche. Okay. So again, super easy. How long have I been doing this? Less than 5 minutes, right? All right, let me come back here just for a second, make sure that we're all on the same page. Hide this for a second. So let me just recap. Why do we need like a digital display? Because we have to visually represent what it is that people are getting, whether it's your freebie or the landing page that talks about your services. You need to visually wrap what it is that you're offering and make it as compelling as possible and give them lots of juicy pages so that they can see, wow, this is really valuable. And so what we did, we created our first Canva asset. So maybe it's an ebook or workbook, anything like that. We downloaded it as JPEGs. Then you have to turn around and upload it again as so that it's in there. And then you just start dragging them over onto your template. Now there's only one more step that you need to do. So let me share my screen again. And the next thing you need to do is now on page 1, I always like to call them whatever it is. So this is Nail Your Niche Digital Stack. Okay. And then we come over here to the share button and we're going to download. Now, I really recommend that you have the paid version of Canva. It's like the best investment for your business. The key here is if you select the PNG and the transparent. That's what you need. And instead of downloading all 3 pages, I'm just going to download page 1 and say done, and then download. It'll take just a minute to download, and then you just put it wherever you want. All right, let me just have this download real quickly here, and I'll just put it there. And you are almost done. So in under 10 minutes, we created this beautiful digital stack. And then what do you do with it? Then you put it on your sales page. So again, start paying attention to those sales pages or landing pages, and they have that beautiful spread there, and it makes you want to click the buy button, right? So how easy is that? Now, if you want to get a copy of the template, just reach out. I make it available to my members inside of my Facebook group. If you happen to be watching this on YouTube, then just reach out and I'll make sure that you get a copy of it there. So go create your digital stacks, make them juicy, make people just want to click that buy button or that sign up button. And I'll see you on another Tech Tuesday training. Take care.